Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your OnlyFans account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your OnlyFans account. Now, on your screen, you're gonna see options like Home, Notifications, New Post, Chat, and your user icon. Tap on your user icon from the bottom right corner of your screen, then a menu will appear from the right side of your screen, where you can see options like My Profile, Collections, Settings, etc. You have to scroll down and tap on Logout option from there. And guys, that's it. That's how you log out of your OnlyFans account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.